Skillets are undeniably one of the most used kitchen appliances on the planet. They make it easy to cook food without sticking to the pan. These are the best products in the market. Starting at number 4, with the Calphalon Contemporary. This is made of heavy-gauge aluminum construction, which ensures even heating, and is hand anodized for durability. It also makes it dishwasher safe. Inside, there's 3 layers of non-stick coating and 2 layers that provide durability, and the 3rd layer that offers easy release. The long brush stainless steel handles are designed to stay cool in the stovetop. Pans and covers are also oven safe. The flat, wide bottom distributes heat evenly and provides plenty of room for cooking. The sloped sides are designed for easy tossing and rolling. Third place is the Copper Chef Round Frying Pan. This 10-inch skillet with a glass lid is made of aluminum and non-stick ceramic material. The quality copper is used to provide durability so that the sauté pan can be used for extended periods of cook time. The non-stick surface is very slick, so food does not stick. The Ceramtech coating on the stir pan is healthier because it requires less oil or fat while cooking, and is PTFE, PFOA, PFOS, and cadmium-free coated, which means it doesn't contain toxic chemicals, so they're safe for kids and adults alike. There's also an innovative stainless steel induction plate that's built directly into the pan and distributes high heat quickly and evenly to the entire cooking surface. To buy any of our featured products and know more about them, you can check out the video description below. Number 2 is the Tfal B36090. This easy non-stick interior and exterior makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Its aluminum construction allows for fast and even heat distribution throughout the entire pan. Fast heat up and cool down allows for precise control to make the perfect sauce. The ergonomic riveted handle provides a comfortable grip while cooking. The convenient helper handle gives added support while moving the pan. The pan's dishwasher safe for an effortless cleanup. The small steam vent releases just the right amount of steam during cooking to avoid boilovers, but still allows for great heating. First place goes to the Lodge L8S K310. This iron 10.5-inch skillet takes first place and has a multifunctional cookware that works wonders with slow cooking recipes in all your favorite foods. Fry up a mess of catfish, roasted chicken, or bake an apple crisp in this generous 10.25-inch pan that features 2 handles for heavy lifting and 2 subtle side lips for pouring. It retains heat so well that you can sear meat at high temperatures, and it will keep your delicious meals warm for a long time. These are virtually indestructible cookwares that should last for generations. Made of cast iron, this skillet evenly distributes heat from the bottom through the side walls. Sporting a stylish black color, the cast iron skillet looks good in most kitchens. If you liked the video and this helped you make a decision, then hit the like button. To show more love and support, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications.